Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to send location on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to send a location on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, to send the location, first open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the location on. And after opening your chat box, guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there's a message bar available for us, and there's a plus button available for us over here at the left side of the message bar over here. Tap on the plus button, which is just beside the message bar over here. Tap on plus at the bottom left, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the location button available for us over here at the bottom left side of the screen. Tap on location, and this kind of panel will appear where Fiverr will load your location. And if you tap on the send location, guys, the location will be sent on your chat box to that person whom you want to send the location on. And there, guys, this is how to send location on Fiverr. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.